How long does waxing a beard last? Waxing is growing in popularity among men due to its efficiency. It is a process of removing body hair. Many people opt for waxing because of the downsides of shaving. Shaving can irritate the skin, leaving cuts, nicks, and bumps. However, waxing is a more lasting form of hair removal and a great solution for your beard. Waxing has become a favorite hair removal method for many because it lasts longer than the other available options. If you are new to waxing your beard, you may be curious to know how long it lasts. How long waxing lasts depends on different factors, but generally, waxing may last up to 6 weeks. It doesn't mean that you are hair-free for 6 weeks. That's when you should be due for a waxing appointment. The following sections will answer the common questions about waxing a beard and how long waxing a beard will last. And by the way, if you want more videos like this one, show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Why is waxing better than other options? Waxing involves the process of uprooting hair at the most basic level, roots. Waxing is the most popular hair removal method, even when there are other options such as laser treatment, bleaching, and threading. Let's look at the benefits of waxing. It is one of the safest hair removal methods. Using some depilatory creams can result in chemical burns if the product is left on your skin for long. Shaving can give you cuts and nicks. Another option is tweezing, and this can result in hair breakage and having ingrown hairs. Isn't waxing obviously safer? Waxing doesn't require harsh chemicals or employing the use of sharp blades. Waxing involves pampering and being gentle with your skin. The hairs are gone for a longer period. When you use wax treatments to remove hair from your face, your beard area will stay hair-free for a longer period. You won't need to repeat the process after a week or two like you would have done if you used shaving creams or a razor. You will have more time. When you wax, you don't have to bother about hair sprouting up sooner than expected. You will be removing the unwanted hair quickly and efficiently, giving you the time to go about your other activities. If you live a busy life, this hair removal method is a good option to consider. How long does waxing a beard last? How long waxing a beard lasts depends on different factors such as the area you are waxing, how fast your facial hair grows, the type of wax used, and how the process is done. Once you start having waxing treatments, you will know for sure how long waxing your beard will last and how early you should book an appointment. The time you wait before you are due for another wax can be your decision to make. You may want to get your beard totally cleaned up frequently, which will likely make you wax sooner than if you don't mind the scruffy look. Also, the number of times you wax helps determine how long the waxing treatment is expected to last. If you are like some people that wax at least once a month, then each time you wax your beard, the hair is removed from the root. This ensures that your beard stays hair-free for a longer period, and you can choose to wait for 4 to 6 weeks more before repeating the process. Waxing shouldn't be done more than necessary because the more you wax, the thinner your hair will get. I am sure you wouldn't want that to happen to your beard. Though that's the result of waxing regularly, your hair follicle gets damaged over time. Besides these common reasons, other factors such as hormone levels, age, and medications play a role in how fast your hair grows, and how quickly you need to wax. Let's take a look at some other factors it might depend on. Does it depend on DIY or using a professional? Doing it yourself or having a professional do it could impact how soon you need to wax again. A professional is well trained in waxing, and the chances are, he or she would have waxed others multiple times daily. This suggests that they have better hands and will do a better job than you. Using DIY for your waxing may not be the smartest choice. I guess you haven't done it many times, and so you might get breakage due to your lack of skill. Breakage occurs when the hair isn't pulled out entirely by the wax but breaks off at the surface level. Since all the hairs aren't pulled out, the hair will grow faster, and you will likely need to wax again within a short time. Does it depend on the area that's waxed? Yes, the time you will wait before you are due for another waxing session depends on the area you are waxing. Hair grows at different speeds in different parts of our body. For this reason, you may notice that the hair on your waxed beard will grow differently from the one on your mustache. Does it depend on the type of wax used? Waxes are of two types, soft and hard. Usually, they last for about the same period of time, though it isn't always the case, depending on how they are stored and what they are made of. Hard wax doesn't need strips to be removed. It is applied directly to the skin and sticks to hair that is as small as 1/6 inch. Hard waxes are more efficient in removing shorter hairs. If your hair hasn't grown out, or your beard growth isn't even, then hard wax will efficiently remove both the longer and smaller hairs. On the other hand, soft waxes require that you use strips for removal. In addition to removing your facial hair, it exfoliates your skin's top layer. As a result, smaller hairs won't be uprooted. Is there anything you can do to make waxing last longer? Of course there is. If you have dry skin, waxing it can make it prone to breakage. It's always better to exfoliate and moisturize your skin beneath your beard in between waxing appointments. By doing this, there will be less breakage and the easy removal of hair that makes waxing last longer. You can start using beard oil to moisturize your beard if you are not using one already. It helps prevent bumps and ingrown hairs, and this will keep your waxed areas in pristine condition. Some waxes contain ingredients that help in minimizing hair growth. This can also give you a breather from your waxing appointments. You can ask about it during your next waxing appointment if you want waxing that lasts longer. Conclusion: if waxing isn't for you, there are other methods of hair removal you can choose from. They last from 3 to 6 weeks, depending on the method. What's important is that you find a solution you will be comfortable with and see good results. Waxing is a great option, mostly because of how long it lasts. Deciding on when you should schedule your wax appointment is up to you. Until you've had a few wax sessions, you won't be sure of how long waxing lasts for you. The amount of time waxing lasts ultimately depends on the nature of your hair growth, how accurate the application is, and where you want to wax. Generally, it lasts between 4 to 6 weeks. If you are having trouble growing a beard, then it is important for you to know the actual truth about the biggest beard growing myths. Therefore, check out the first link in the description below this video and grab your free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths that you probably still believe in and what you can do to grow a beard faster now. Thanks for watching.